Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, what's out there?
Just wait, because one of the most epic events in our galaxy's future is already in motion.
That's right, the Milky Way, our home, is on a collision course with its massive neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy.
And no, this isn't science fiction. This cosmic clash is definitely going to happen. It's already begun.
So what does that mean for us? What will the skies look like? Will Earth survive? Buckle up, because we're about to travel billions of years into the future.
Wow, this is going to be one wild ride through time and space.
The Milky Way and Andromeda are the two largest galaxies in our local group, and gravity is pulling them together.
Even though Andromeda is over 2.5 million light years away right now, it's headed straight for us at about 110 kilometers per second. Oh my goodness, that's nearly 250,000 miles per hour.
Using data from the Hubble Space Telescope, scientists have mapped out how this collision will unfold over the next 7 billion years. And the timeline? It's absolutely breathtaking. 2 billion years from now, gravity begins its slow pull. Andromeda inches closer, gradually growing larger and brighter in the sky, like a ghostly cosmic titan on the horizon. Wow.
3.75 billion years from now, the galaxies draw dangerously near. Their swirling arms begin to touch. They're dancing, no, colliding in a slow motion ballet across the cosmos.
3.85 billion years. Boom. Not a literal explosion, but the sky comes alive. New stars are born in massive bursts of light, illuminating the night like never before. It's spectacular.
4 billion years. Oh wow, look up! Enormous clouds of ionized gas glow across the heavens. Remnants of cosmic violence and creation mixing into one breathtaking light show.
At 4 billion years, our Milky Way is no longer what it was. It looks twisted, warped, and Andromeda? It's stretched and tangled, reshaped by gravity's relentless grip.
And finally, at 7 billion years, the chaos settles. The Milky Way and Andromeda have merged into one, a giant elliptical galaxy glowing with the light of trillions of stars, a brand new galactic home.
Oh my goodness, can you imagine looking up at that sky? Here's the surprising part. Earth might survive this entire event. While stars and gas will collide, the space between stars is so vast that direct collisions are rare.
But our solar system? It may get flung into a completely new part of the galaxy, or even kicked out entirely. Yikes!
Still, even if Earth remains, by that time, the sun will be nearing the end of its life. Our planet will be a very different place, or maybe not even habitable anymore.
So next time you look up at the stars, just remember, the universe is always changing, even if it takes billions of years.
And we're lucky to be here right now in this exact moment, able to witness the beauty of the universe before the great galactic transformation begins.
Wow, space is just incredible.
Totally. If you enjoyed this journey through time and space, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. See you in the next galaxy!